Hello, my brother and sister. Today I will going to give a review for a toolbox from brand Masterspace. And here it is in front of us. The toolbox itself, not very big. It's just middle size. Here's compared to my hand. It has a handle, the latch for open up the above parts. Okay, now I will going to give it a measurement. The upper part is 27 centimeter. And the other side around 16.5 centimeter. The depth would be 6 centimeter. Yes, about 6 centimeter. Here is the hinge. How it look? Okay, the handle, and from the side, the bottom. Now I going to open up the front part. And we can take out the tray. There are 4 trays inside the toolbox. And here is how the toolbox look like. And you can also open the separator. Each separator is removable, so you can make just a straight space. Okay, wait a minute. So now we are going to give it a measurement of the tray. 20.5 centimeter the length, and the width would be 11.5 centimeter. And its small square space would be around 3.7 centimeter. Yes, around 3.7 centimeter. Okay. Now I will going to give a overall measurement. The bottom part 26.5 centimeter. The head would be 25.5 centimeter. And the width, the length would be 24 centimeter. Okay. Normally, this kind toolbox the teenager or the youngster use for putting their Tamiya car toys. If you know the name, Tamiya. Mostly they use for that kind of situation. But for me, I'm using this for putting a small item like screw, bolt, or ring washer, or drill bit, and something like that. Now I will going to measure the weight itself. Here's the measurement. Around 1.235 gram. I think that's all my review for a simple toolbox for putting anything you like. That's all my video for today, and thank you for watching.